Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account, and in this video I will show you on how to check the phone number added to your Google account for a security reason. For that, first thing first, go ahead and open up your Google search, and go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Then go ahead and click on personal info. Then you have all phone number linked to your Google account right here. You find out that there is number that is no longer being used by you, or you are no longer use any of the number right here, simply click on the number and remove them. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.